Hi guys, it's Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. The boys' room is a hot mess. I have not had the opportunity to properly organize it, so all of this clutter, junk, toys, trash, it all has accumulated over the last couple months, and today we are going to get rid of it all. So stay tuned, listen to the music, and let's get started.
I don't wanna go, I don't wanna know, I don't want it anymore.
There is a ton of satisfying folding, organizing, and decluttering in this video, so I don't want to talk through the entire thing. I want you to be able to, sit back and watch and listen to the music. So I'm just going to give you a quick rundown now. I am going to be stripping the beds, washing everything that needs to be washed, pulling out the clear plastic bins that I have their clothes organized in underneath of their beds, and I am going to be redoing that whole system in this video, along with pulling out everything from the dressers, getting all of that reorganized, and getting rid of all of this clutter. I am going to be reorganizing their books, wiping down surfaces, and just getting the room organized. That is my main goal here, is to make sure that things are organized in a way that I can maintain from day to day. That being said, go ahead and get up and go over to that corner that you have been meaning to organize and declutter. Fold that pile of laundry that is sitting on your bed and get it done with me.
We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. We're crashing down in it, okay. Our love will never be the same. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. The light. If I don't get you, shawty, you bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Say you're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there. love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right, while you try to fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Where you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right, while you try to fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, your love, your love, your love, your love, your love, If you could look into my eyes, you'd see why I am hypnotized. Oh, you get drunk with this siren high from all the things your dirty mind wants. You wanna see what's deep inside and take it for a mighty ride. Oh, you get some from all fire and blind from all the things your dirty mind wants. Out of my mind, getting gets a little low. Take off your black, baby, let me know. No, you can see what I can see. The night is wild and so are we. Out of my mind, getting gets a little low. I want to stop, but you let me know. No, you can see what I can see. The night is wild and so are we. If you could look into my eyes, you'd see what should be no surprise. Oh, you cool down, dance it out to hide from all the things your dirty mind wants. You wanna see what's deep inside. Oh, take it for a mighty ride. Oh, you get some from all fire and blind from all the things your dirty mind wants. Out of my mind, getting gets a little low. Take off your black, baby, let me know. No, you can see what I can see. The night is wild and so are we. Out of my mind, getting gets a little low. I want to stop, but you let me know. No, you can see what I can see. The night is wild and so are we. Out of my mind, getting gets a little low. Take off your black, baby, let me know. No, you can see what I can see. The night is wild and so are we. Out of my mind, getting gets a little low. I want to stop, but you let me know. No, you can see what I can see. The night is wild and so are we. You will never understand what I went through. You never were a good listener. A good listener. You will never understand what you put me through. And you never be a good lover. A good lover. At first I believed I was the lucky one, but I was just fooling myself. Fooling myself. You think you can talk sense to me, like we are gonna be okay. We're not
And it is all done. Oh, it looks so much better in here. I can breathe a little easier, and there's so much more room for the boys to play and spend time in here. I am so glad that I took the time to do this, and I hope that you were able to get some organizing and decluttering done too. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, the post notification bell, and the like button. It really helps my channel out, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.